Hi dear students, welcome to Color Cube. Today we are continuing with chapter 3, operations involving large numbers. In this session we are going to discuss on division and checking of division. In the previous class we already learned about division, what is dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, etc. In this class we are discussing more about division and how to check the division. First example given here is 2532 divided by 6. This is the dividend. 2532 is dividend, divisor is 6. Whenever we are starting division, start from the leftmost end. First digit is 2. In 2 there is no 6. So we consider the first 2 digits, that is 25. In 25, how many 6 is there? For seeing that, we should know the multiplication table of 6. 1 6 is 6, 2 6 12, 3 6 18 and 4 6 is 24. The number just below 25 that we should select, it is 24. 4 into 6, 24. After that we should subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Even if you write here 0, no problem. Only 1 is here. So in 1 there is no 6. So taking next digit down. This 3 is taken down. This arrow says that this 3 should be taken down. Now it becomes 13. In 13, how many 6 is there? Again say the multiplication table of 6. 1 6 6, 2 6 is 12. Number just below 13, that is 12. Here we got that. So 2 into 6 is 12. Now subtract it. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. In 1 there is no 6. So we should take down the next digit. Here I taken down 2. Now it becomes 12. In 12, how many 6 is there? You know it is 2. 2 into 6 is 12. Again subtract. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer which we get is called as quotient. And remainder is 0. 12 minus 12, we get 0. Whenever division is done, we should take down, write all those things. Dividend is 2532, divisor is 6, remainder is equal to 0, and quotient is 422. Here, next we are going to learn how to check the division. For checking division, the main thing you should remember is that dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Please by heart it. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. The answer we get now, that is called a quotient. First we want to multiply quotient and divisor. With that answer we should add the remainder. And if we do these things, we will get dividend. If you didn't get dividend, you must understand that the division you have done is wrong. If you got, by doing this calculation, if you got the same dividend itself, your answer is right. Otherwise your answer is wrong. Let's see how this is done here. Here I take down and write quotient is 422, divisor same thing. Quotient is, here the quotient is 422, divisor 6, dividend 2532 and remainder 0. The same things I take down and write here. So I'm going to substitute. Quotient is, how much is the quotient? 422 into divisor. How much is the divisor? 6. 6 plus, please see, I put it in, keep it in two brackets. Why I kept it in bracket? Because this multiplication should be done first. Only after that we should add the remainder. Whenever a question is given, do this multiplication first, then add the remainder. Here remainder how much? Remainder is 0. So I added 0. Then first in the working space, in the margin, right side of the margin, you should do the multiplication. 422 into 6. The answer is 2532. Same dividend. Dividend is also 2532. Do you understand it? Let's see one more example. Here, quotient is 8764. Divisor is 4. Next, we are going to start division. Only one digit number. Consider the number on the first. 8. In 8, how many 4s are there? 1 4 4, 2 4 8. 2 times. So 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. In 0, there is no 4. So we should take down the next digit down. Take down 7. In 7, how many 4 is there? Only 1. 1 into 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 is how much? 3. In 3, there is no 4. So take down the next digit. 6. Now it becomes 36. In 36, how many 4s are there? When you go through the multiplication table of 4, you will get it 36 itself. 4 9s are 4 9. 9 into 4 is 36. So 36 minus 36, 0. Take the next digit down. 4. In 4, how many 4 is there? Only 1. 1 into 4, 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So how much is the quotient? 2191. The remainder is 0. So what is the equation to check the division? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. First you should take down and write all those things. Quotient is equal to 2191. Divisor is equal to 4. Remainder is equal to 0. Dividend is equal to 8764. Equation is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is 2191 into divisor 4 plus remainder. Remainder here is 0. So if you multiply these two, you will get 8764. The same as dividend. Let's see some more bigger examples. Here 2-digit divisor is given. The same method is followed. Practice this. 2868 divided by 27. Since this is a 2-digit number, consider the 2 digits from dividend also. Here 28. In 28, how many 27s are there? Only 1. 1 into 27. Here I wrote 27. After that, we want to subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. In 1, how many 27? There is no 27. So, we should take down next digit. Here now we got 16. In 16, is there 27? No. If I take one digit down, still I can't divide, means we should take one more digit down. The next digit is 8. In such cases, we should put one 0 here. So, 28 minus 27, 1 കിട്ടി. അടുത്ത ഡിജിറ്റ് കൂടെ താഴോട്ട് ഇറക്കി എഴുതി. 16ൽ 27 ഇല്ല. ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഡിജിറ്റ് എഴുതിയിട്ട് പോലും നമുക്കിതിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ പിന്നീട് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഒരു 0 ഇട്ടതിന് ശേഷമാണ് അടുത്ത ഡിജിറ്റിനെ താഴോട്ട് ഇറക്കി എഴുതേണ്ടത്. ഇവിടെ ആദ്യം 6നെ ഇറക്കി എഴുതി. അപ്പോൾ 16 എന്ന് കിട്ടി. 16ൽ 27 ഇല്ല. അതിനാൽ എനിക്ക് ഡിവിഷൻ സാധ്യമല്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് അടുത്ത ഡിജിറ്റ് ഇറക്കി എഴുതണം. അപ്പോൾ 8 താഴോട്ട് ഇറക്കി എഴുതണം. ആ ഒരു കേസിൽ ആദ്യം ഇവിടെ ഒരു 0 ഇട്ട് കൊടുക്കണം. ഒരു ഡിജിറ്റ് ഇറക്കി എഴുതിയിട്ടും ഡിവിഷൻ പോസിബിൾ ആകുന്നില്ല. ഇനി ഒരു ഡിജിറ്റിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ ആവശ്യമുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെയാണ് അടുത്ത ഡിജിറ്റും കൂടി എഴുതിയത്. അപ്പം ഒരു 0 ഇട്ടതിന് ശേഷമാണ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ് എഴുതേണ്ടത്. ഇപ്പോൾ 168 ആണ് നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ ലഭിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ നോക്കണം 168ൽ എത്ര 27 ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ 27 ഇൻറ്റു 4, 27 ഇൻറ്റു 5, അങ്ങനെ 27ൻ്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ടേബിൾ നോക്കണം. 168ൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് താഴെയുള്ള ഡിവിഷൻ എവിടെയാണോ, മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ എവിടെയാണോ കിട്ടുന്നത് അതിനെയാണ് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഇവിടെ 6 ഇൻറ്റു 27 ചെയ്തപ്പോഴാണ് 162. എന്നാൽ 168ന് തൊട്ട് താഴെയുള്ള 162 എന്ന ഡിജിറ്റ് കിട്ടി. അതുകൊണ്ട് അത് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്തു. 6 ഇൻറ്റു 27, 162. After that, subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the quotient is 106. Remainder is 6. Divisor 27. Dividend 2868. Now let's check the division. What is equation for checking? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is 106. Divisor is 27. Remainder 6. And dividend is 2808. We're going to apply this equation. Dividend is equal to quotient 106 into divisor 27. 106 into 27 plus remainder is 6. First we should do this multiplication. When I multiply this, I got 2862. To that I am going to add this remainder 6. I will get 2868. This is the dividend itself. So my division is correct. Next question is 3654 divided by 47. First two digits 36. In 36 there is no 47. So consider the 3 digits. 365. So when you multiply and see the multiplication table of 47, we can see that 47 into 7, 329 we will get. So consider that number, subtract it. 5 minus 9 is not possible, so 15 minus 9 will get a 6. Here 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Here only 36. In 36 there is no 47. So taking the next digit down. Now we get 354. 354. How many 47s are there? 7. 7 into 47 is 329. So now subtract it. 14 minus 9 we will get 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. The quotient is 77. Divisor 47. Dividend is 3654. And the remainder is 35. So to check division, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Dividend is 77 is equal to 77 into 47 plus 35. When you multiply these two, you will get 3619 plus 35. You will get 3654. It is same as dividend. This question also the same method is followed. You please try it. 23,576 divided by 30. First two digits 23. In 23 how many 13? Only 1. 1 into 13. 13. Now subtract. 3 minus 3 0. 2 minus 1 1. In 10 there is no 13. So what we want to do? Take the next digit down. 105. In 105, how many 13s are there? In the working space, you should check the multiplication table of 13. When you multiply 13 into 8, you will get the number just below 105. That is 104. 13 into 8 is 104. Subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1 also 0. So in 1, there is no 13. So take the next digit down. 17. In 17, how many 13s are there? 1. 1 into 13, 13. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1 minus 1, 0. In 4, there is no 13. So take the next digit down. Now it becomes 46. In 46, how many 13s are there? Only 3. 3 into 13 is 39. Now subtract it. 16 minus 9. 7. Here 3 minus 3, 0. Quotient is 1813. Remainder 7. Divisor 30. And the dividend 23,576. What is the equation to check division? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Can you prove it? Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Moving on to next example. Here the question is 2,02,264 divided by 386. Consider the first three digits, 202. Since this is a three-digit number, I consider the first three digits. That is also smaller. 202 is smaller than 386. So I consider the four digits. 2022. In 2022, how many 386 are there? In the working space, please do the multiplication table of 386. 386 into 2, 386 into 4, like that we should do. While doing so, when you get a number just below the given 4-digit number, stop there and see whether it is nearer, smaller or bigger. When we multiply it by 5 into 386, we will get 1930. Now subtract it. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 3, not possible. So borrow. Here 10. Again from 10, take 1. 12 minus 3 is 9. Here we will get 9 minus 9, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. In 92, there is no 386. So take it next digit down. 926. In 926, how many 386 is there? 2. 2 into 386, we will get 772. Subtract it. 6 minus 2, 4. 12 minus 7, 5. 8 minus 7, 1. 154, there is no 386. So take the next digit down. 1544. How many 386 is there? Again multiply and check. When you multiply 386 into 4, you will get 1544. Same number is. Now subtract. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. And 1 minus 1 is also 0. Now, what is the equation to check the division? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient 524 into 386 plus 0. You will get this answer. 2,02,264. Did you understand it? Please practice more problems. Thank you.